electronic visit verification caregiver training for downloading and registering the HHAeXchange mobile app. The HHAeXchange mobile app provides caregivers with an easy method for verifying patient visits using their smartphones. This method is primarily used for GPS, but can also be used with the fob device. The mobile app is a free download available from either the Apple App Store for the iPhone or the Google Play Store for the Android. The app is easy to use with user prompts and context-sensitive help. This video explains how to download and register the mobile app. To learn how to use the mobile app to confirm visits, you will need to watch the video titled Caregiver Training GPS using the HHAeXchange mobile app. In this video, we'll explore how the mobile app works. This will include downloading the mobile app, signing up and creating your profile, registering with your agency or agencies, and it will also include a review of the mobile app utilities and a look at how to unlink from an agency. Let's start with how the mobile app works. The mobile app uses global positioning technology that is similar to the technology used in our automobile navigation systems to provide maps and directions in real time. The HHAeXchange mobile app is a free download available for Apple users from the Apple App Store and for Android users from the Google Play Store. The caregiver downloads the app and registers their assigned ID with their agency. To learn how to use the mobile app to confirm visits, HHAeXchange provides a caregiver training video called GPS using the HHAeXchange mobile app. To download the mobile app, go to the Apple App Store or to the Google Play Store. Search for HHAeXchange, select the app, and then select the Install button. In order to use the mobile app, caregivers must now select Allow to allow access to the device location, and also select Allow to allow access to the notes files, and then click on Sign Up to continue. To sign up, the first thing you do is enter your email. Then you create a password and confirm the password, and then click Done on the keypad. Then you click on the Sign Up button on the bottom of the screen. A message will appear confirming a successful sign up, which means that the information was sent to HHAeXchange and your login has been created. Then you click on OK. You will then be asked to create a profile containing some basic information. This includes first and last name, last 4 digits of your social security number, as well as your gender, birth date, email, and phone number. And it's very important that all of this information is correct and it matches the information that's in your caregiver profile in the HHAeXchange system. Then you click on Create to create your profile. Once you have created your profile, your mobile ID number will display, and an email containing that same number will be sent to your email address. Here's a copy of the email that a caregiver receives. Notice the mobile ID number. The caregiver is then instructed to contact and provide their mobile ID number to all of their offices in order to complete their registration. When you are ready to actually log in, you log into the mobile app screen using the same email address and password that you established when you registered. If you attempt to log into the mobile app without contacting your agencies first, an error message will display. But if you have registered with your agency, clicking on Login will take you either to an agency selection page if you work with multiple agencies, or if you work with only one agency, to the mobile app homepage of that agency. From the agency homepage menu, you can access your scheduled visits, unscheduled visits, patients, messages, open shifts, and availability. The video titled Caregiver Training, GPS using the HHAeXchange mobile app will explain how visits are confirmed. The mobile app also has a utility menu. Clicking on the three dots in the display brings up the utility screen. The utilities menu includes information and utilities to perform necessary application and management tasks. Notice that you see the mobile ID, which is the ID that the caregiver provided to their agencies, the device ID, and menu options for changing the password, viewing all of the linked agencies, changing the language displayed, and the legal information, which includes the privacy policy, the user agreement, and the end user license agreement. Now let's look at how we can unlink a caregiver from an agency. If a caregiver is no longer working with a particular agency, they can unlink from the agency with the mobile app. To do this, we select the linked agency function. Then we select the agency from whom we wish to unlink, and we move the switch to No. A warning will display, and if the caregiver wishes to continue with the unlink, they select Yes. Once a caregiver has unlinked, only the agency can reinstate the caregiver. To summarize, the HHAeXchange mobile app provides caregivers with an easy method for verifying patient visits. The app uses the caregiver's personal smartphone and works for either GPS or fob verification. The mobile app is free and can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Caregivers must create their profile and register the mobile ID with all of their agencies. They can also unlink from specific agencies with whom they no longer work. To learn how to use the mobile app to verify visits, watch the video titled Caregiver Training, GPS using the HHAeXchange mobile app. This concludes our training for downloading and registering the HHAeXchange mobile app. Thank you.